Brandon? I didn't need your help after all.
But how?
I remembered something from when I was a kid. It was like I just woke up. Suddenly it all made sense. And after all this time, we thought you were the smart one.
Brandon,
Save it, Luca.
all I was going to say is if you want to carry on doing what you're doing, then you have my full support.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Means a lot.
Hey, what are brothers for? I think you've got something that belongs to me. Card or no card, you've never been a match for me. Now that I've got this working again, I'm gonna master it. You have the power to do anything. So don't mess with me.